Welcome to my third tutorial regarding Ansys. I hope you have already completed the last two tutorials and I believe you enjoyed it. And here is a very short review to my research site, Artificial Intelligence for Structured Reliability. And now I gonna start today's tutorial, so please keep your patience. So first of all, I would like to open my Ansys workbench. Just double click on the left side of your mouse. It will take several minutes or several seconds. Okay, at last, I'm able to open my Ansys workbench. So you will see the interface here. It's a empty space here. So what I gonna receive through this tutorial, and it's about the toolbox, the analysis system. So for the very first time, you will go to the top portion here and just click one view and just check the toolbox. So you will see here analysis system, component system, custom systems, and like this. So first of all, I wanna introduce with you the analysis system. Just click on the plus sign. So you will see here there are several analysis system here. For example, as a civil engineer, you will need to consider for your 3D model for analysis purposes. You will need, for example, you will need the fluid flow fluent. This analysis system you will need, and you will see the model. You will also need this type of analysis system. Static structure, and you see hydrodynamic diffraction, hydrodynamic response. So I have I am trying to introduce with you the several types of analysis system and what I have read. Among these analysis system, these are most common analysis system for doing 3D analysis of your model for civil engineering students, or a civil engineering researcher, whatever you would like to say. So you see one more thing you will get here, the component system you see here. So for the component, among the component system, you see here there are several component system. So you will need to blade generation. So if, for example, I'm working on wind turbine, so on my wind turbine project, I may need to create a blade, wind turbine blade. So I need this type of component, blade generation, CFX. You will need also engineering data, so fluent, geometry, so mesh, mechanical model. So here the results, so the Vista AFD, and these are actually the component system. If you just click on the custom system here, you will see here the custom system here. Among the custom system, you usually use the thermal stress, random vibration, pre-stress model, random vibration. This type of custom system you gonna use it in near future. So there design exploration, you actually use this type of response surface optimization, direct optimization. So if you have among this type of analysis system, component system, or custom systems or design exploration, if you are not satisfied with this type of components, you may go through your create workflow. Just double click here, you will see here add a task group. Just double click here, you will just create your own interface, whatever you actually need. For example, you can just name your analysis system. The parameters you can easily set here. So I think so by this you will be able to create your own component system. So in this today's tutorial, my purpose was to introduce this type of toolbox. So now I will introduce to you. So if you wanna for this type of component system or analysis system, you wanna this type of analysis, you turn this component system or analysis system to the project schematic or workbench. How you, now the question is how you do that. So for example, if you just wanna to shift the geometry, so just double click to your left side of your mouse. So if you just double click here, you can see your geometry is now your project schematic. And for example, from here, you wanna static structural from here to this interface. So double click to the left side of your mouse. Okay. So now you can see here, for example, whatever you will be able to draw your project, complete your geometry. After completion your geometry, you will able to, you wanna just transfer your geometry to this analysis system. But now the question is how you will be able to do that. So for just uh, hold this geometry to here. Okay, you can see easily here. Okay, for example, just hold the geometry and model also, you can easily here. First of all, you will be able to uh, create your geometry here, and after that this type of geometry will be transferred this analysis system. Okay, so you can see here there is a name static structural, or here the geometry. If you wanna change this name, you will be able to do that. So how can you do that? Just double click here. For example, you will use here fatigue analysis. Okay, so you can see here there is no structural analysis. Here you can see now fatigue analysis. So I hope to the third tutorial you will be able to know the analysis system, component system, and how the component system and analysis system can be shifted to the project schematic, and how to transfer the geometry, a component geometry or other component system to analysis system. So thank you very much for your patience. And obviously my expectation is keep watching my tutorials. Thank you very much.